Did you know that shrimp is very easy to prepare? Literally anyone can prepare shrimp. And this is how you do it. First, you clean your shrimp. Remove the shrimp from the shells. After a shrimp is washed and cleaned, we're going to move on to seasoning. We're using Maggi seasons, Maggi all-purpose, Maggi fish seasoning, we're adding some season to the bone. You can add your seasons of choice to bring out that flavor, the flavor that you like. Add some black pepper seasoning, and we're also going to add some blended seasonings to our mixture. That's sweet peppers, onion, escallion, all blended together. We're going to add them to our mixture, to our shrimp. And for our secret ingredients, we're adding some ketchup powder. It's gonna give it that nice, pretty color. Rub all that seasoning in, and it's ready for the pot. So, preparing shrimp is similar to preparing chicken. We're gonna fry the shrimp in the pot, as in brown it, cover it, let it simmer, let it cook in the oil. Once our shrimp is golden brown, we move on to the sauce. For the sauce, we're using ketchup, seasonings. So to a bowl, we add some ketchup. We're adding all-purpose Maggi all-purpose seasoning and stirring together. Next, you add a little ginger to give it that zesty taste. You can also add a few drops of lime juice for the sour aspect of the sweet and sour. To our shrimp in the pot, we add some seasoning, some diced seasoning, some sweet peppers, garlic, and escallion. Stir it together. You smell that? It smells so good. Next, we're adding some grated garlic. In next goes our ketchup mixture. Add some water to the ketchup mixture to make it a little watery. Pour it over your shrimp. Give yourself a clap. You have just prepared sweet and sour shrimp all by yourself.